Hello, I'm Michaela, and in today's video, we will talk about what makes a Salesforce org unmaintainable. Some orgs are hard to maintain, and others are actively fighting you. In this video, we are going to talk about what actually makes an org unmaintainable and why it usually has nothing to do with the org size. There is a common myth that large orgs are automatically messy. That's not true. I've seen orgs with 10 users that were impossible to work in, and enterprise orgs with thousands of users that were clean and predictable. One of the biggest red flags is uncontrolled automations. There might be multiple flows doing similar things, legacy process builders still active, or no documentation. When nobody knows why an automation exists, nobody feels safe changing it. If you see dozens of nearly identical profiles, that's a warning sign as well. Profiles that differ by one checkbox are extremely hard to reason about, and they break every time you add a new object or a field. Another sign are fields that no one can explain. If you ask, what's this field for? And the answer is, I think marketing asked for it 2 years ago. That's technical debt. When flows, fields, and validation rules have random names, you can't search, group, or audit anything. Naming conventions aren't about aesthetics. They are about survival. Maintainable orgs share a few traits. They have fewer but better designed automations. They use permission sets instead of profile sprawl. They have clear ownership of fields and processes and documentation inside Salesforce itself. A Salesforce org doesn't become unmaintainable overnight. It becomes unmaintainable when nobody feels safe changing it. Designed for the next admin, not just for today. If you have any questions related to this topic, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Bye bye.